Guys, so today we're going to talk about what is the best business to start in 2018. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you already know what the answer is, but if you're newer, answer might kind of surprise you, but my answer is personal branding, just building a following no matter what it's around. Now, a lot of people have different objections to this, which I'll go over later in the video and why a lot of them aren't true or how you can get around them, like, oh, I don't want to be on camera, I'm too shy, I don't know what to make content on, I'm not an expert at anything, things like that. And I'll address those a little later in this video, but this is for the new people on my channel. If it's your first time seeing me, I'm going to show kind of my income from personal branding. So just kind of to verify, because I make some bold claims in here. So I've made $2.5 million in the last 10 months from personal branding. I started my YouTube in February. Before that, I was doing Amazon. So I just want to show you what kind of income is possible with personal branding. So right now I'm at 66,000 subscribers. I've been doing it about 10 months. Like I said, start of February, I started with a channel with 0 subscribers and just been uploading videos ever since. So on YouTube right now, I'm making about $5,500 a month just from ad revenue for uploading videos. So not bad. Again, as you get more views, obviously it increases. So $5,000 a month just for making videos on YouTube, not bad. The second thing is my courses I'm selling. So I was originally starting YouTube just to kind of help people do it for fun. And everyone started asking me for a course because I was doing Amazon. They wanted to know what I was doing. And I started selling that in March. So I had 800 subscribers when I launched the course. And off those 800 subscribers, I probably grew another 1,000 in March. I made 122,000 that month from that. And then you can see it just slowly increased and then dropped a little. It's December 2nd. That's why this is low right now in the morning. So you can see I've made probably 2 million off the course, almost a little bit less in less than a year, all from personal branding. That's one of my courses. Here's the second one. Probably made about 300,000 from this one. Again, launched in July. So extra 300,000 right there. That's most people's goal income for the year. One source. So there's so many different sources. This is affiliate marketing through my YouTube channel. So I have an affiliate link. If I promote something, say, hey guys, I use this tool, here's how I use it, and I get an affiliate link, I get paid out. You can see 2,900 people have bought this tool through my link, and that's made me about $95,000 so far this year. And that's just one of my affiliate things. I have more affiliates. This is just one thing, which is a tool I use for Amazon. So that is what is really possible. And I'm just scraping the surface. I haven't even been doing this a year. I started knowing absolutely nothing. Exact same spot you guys are in right now, where you're like, wow, these YouTubers make so much. It doesn't feel like realistic. Like, I don't think I could do that. Doesn't feel like realistic. So, I mean, I was in the same position you were. I was watching Alex Becker. I saw his PayPal and he was getting $3,000 payments a day. I'm like, I'd be so happy if I could just get like $300 a day. If I could make $10,000 a month, that'd be insane. And now my YouTube is almost that. At the end of the year, it'll be close to that. I'll probably be at $7,000 a month, and it just keeps growing. Now, if you guys aren't in my Facebook group, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to get in. I also have one for if you want to build a YouTube channel. But these are all the excuses people gave me as to why they haven't started a YouTube channel and started building a personal brand. First one being, I'm camera shy. There's a lot of channels that you don't even have to be, you can talk. You don't have to show your face. There's a lot of channels that are big like that. Is it better if you show your face? Yes. It's not a necessity. I was right there with you guys. I still don't speak well. I didn't speak well when I started. I hated a camera being pointed at me. It felt super weird. Hate the sound of my own voice. But after you do a video or two, it becomes kind of normal. And especially once you start getting 10, 20 subscribers and you feel like you're talking to someone, it's not weird. I don't ever look at the camera because I don't like looking into a camera. I think it's weird. So that's why I look at my screen and close enough. But you get over it. Make a video or two. Is that going to be your excuse to why you're not going to make a couple $1 million? Oh, I'm camera shy. It's not worth a couple $1 million I could potentially make because I'm camera shy. Worth it. Next one is, I'm not an expert at anything. Now, okay, this is fine. A lot of people are thinking in the entrepreneur space. It doesn't have to be in the entrepreneur space. You can do YouTube around anything. You don't have to do what I do. You don't have to be the guy that, okay, he's an expert and he makes money and then he teaches people in courses. That's the main business model. There's so many other ways. Let's say you really enjoy art. You're an artist. You help people. There's about 15 different sources of income you could use right there. You don't have to straight teach on YouTube. People want to be entertained. Teaching is part of that. But again, you don't have to teach. Look at all the huge channels, video game channels. They're not teaching anything. They're entertaining. And those are the biggest ones. It's all about entertainment. And a lot of times, let's say you want to do the entrepreneur thing. All you have to do is document what you're doing. Let's say you don't ever make money with what you're trying to do. Let's say you're trying affiliate marketing and you never make money running ads and doing that, but you're documenting your process, what's working, what's not working, you're interacting with people. People will subscribe to you, follow you, and let's say a year from now, you start doing well with it and you can eventually start teaching it, but you're not an expert yet. Well, now instead of going and starting, you have a whole year of people following you. You're probably at 10, 20,000 subscribers because people want to be able to relate with you and feel like they're on the same thing, same struggle, because you're at the same level. So they will follow you. You don't have to be an expert. I didn't feel like an expert when I started. I felt like I knew it pretty well, and I was just documenting what I was doing, what was working, what wasn't working. People want to be able to relate and be entertained. So you don't have to be an expert. Don't know where to start. That's a good one. There is no best place to start. You just have to make a video. If you guys are watching this, you want to go start this, make a video about you, what you're doing, and then just start documenting like, okay, guys, I'm doing this. I hope for the results to be this. So far, this hasn't worked. This is working. And you can just do updates like that. You can vlog. You can teach what you know, literally anything. And like I was saying with the channel before, if you don't want to go that niche, I could make a YouTube channel, or you could, around painting. And you're like, okay, where's the money in that? Like, yeah, you have YouTube ad revenue for views and whatnot, but how am I going to make money other than that? You can make you can make 6 figures painting on YouTube if you know how to monetize it. Any niche, I don't care what it is, 6 figures a month. So you can do consulting. You can help people, teach people if you want. That's always there. You can make, let's go back to entrepreneur niche. You can use affiliate links in your videos. Say, hey guys, here's the paint set I use. Or you can even drop ship that yourself, which is a lot easier than people think. Like if I made a store right now and said, hey guys, I have these whiteboards in that store. Here's some of the pens I use. Here's my microphone and other things. People go buy that. It's more profit than affiliate marketing. You have consulting. I got paid $1,000 for half an hour. My normal rate was $500 an hour. So if I want to work 2 hours a day doing consulting, which I could easily do, $30,000 a month right there. Again, you're not going to start at that level, but I'm not a huge YouTuber. I was getting that at 10,000 subscribers. I was getting $500 an hour for that if I wanted to. People say they're ugly, don't want to share my sexiness. Okay. Why would people watch me? Again, people want to be entertained. They don't just watch experts only. And if you think YouTube's competitive, you're completely wrong. It's the beginning of the whole movement towards personal branding. Anyone who doesn't have one is going to get left behind in entrepreneurship, and you're just missing out. Look at what all the huge guys that are making money do. They all make the most money from their personal brand. That's why people always teach how to make money. And people are like, oh, why would you share your secrets? You make more teaching it than if you didn't share the secret and did it yourself, and it's less work. So let me go over some of the benefits of why you should start personal branding kind of over other things. So there's zero startup cost. You don't need good quality stuff. This is my webcam camera. I did just get a mic. Watch a video from a week ago. It's the mic on this. It's fine. Had that for the last 9-10 months. No startup cost. You can use your phone even. You can use your phone, upload from your phone. You need a phone and Wi-Fi. That's it. Or maybe a laptop. It's not time consuming at all. If you want to start YouTube, it's however much you want to put in. Let's say you want to do YouTube, you don't want to sell anything, you just want to document what you're doing. And let's say you get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Great, you're making $2,500 a month from YouTube ad revenue for spending maybe 30 minutes a day making a video. Okay, that's kind of your worst case. I'm at $3,000 a month making videos. And even if you stop, those continue on because you're getting views on those. You don't always have to be making new videos. You don't have to upload every single day. It's however much work you want to put in, however much money you want to make. There's so many different sources of income, not to mention getting sponsored by other things, getting free stuff. Example, on my car, I got a body kit half off. I got the exhaust half off. I got a bunch of different things, a lot of money off. So thousands of dollars saved from having a YouTube channel. And I was at 10,000 subs when I got those. So you can make the most personal branding. Show me people doing things that are making, okay, let's use a medium-sized YouTuber, Alex Becker. I'm going to go on a limb and say he makes $2 to $5 million a month. I'm going to say 2 or 3. Show me someone who makes $25 million a year that does anything entrepreneurial, that hasn't started giant businesses and isn't doing that. There's so many YouTubers like that. Sam Ovens, Ty Lopez, any of that. And they all make so much from personal branding just because of the reach. And to go off of that, you can then start any business you want and jumpstart it and make millions from it once you get a decent following. Now, maybe I'm not there yet. It might take another year to get 100, 200,000 where I feel like that would work. But Gary Vee launches shoes. He makes an easy couple million a year from them just because he has a following. Not because, oh, his shoes are known. It's only because he's known and you like him. So you can jumpstart any type of business you want. If I go start a software business and you guys like me, a lot of you are probably going to go buy it and it jumpstarts my business and now I'm making more from my following, but it's a different business that maybe I wanted to do. So that's a big one. You can make the most amount of money in my opinion. Exponential growth. Once you start growing on YouTube, you get promoted more. And when you get promoted more, you grow more. So it's exponential. So that's why the channels with 200,000 subscribers are gaining about 1,000 a day and channels with 1,000 subscribers are gaining 10 a day. Once you get there, I'm getting about 300-400 a day now. You just grow exponentially and make more exponentially. So it's awesome to see it keep growing. Now, personal branding will never die. I don't see it going anywhere because here's why. You can take your personal brand onto any platform. Let's say YouTube gets shut down. I can no longer do YouTube. I have my Instagram, I have my Facebook. I can move to another platform and most of you guys will follow. Maybe I take a 10-20% hit on my following, but you guys will follow where I go because you like me now. So if something happens to YouTube, something happens to Facebook, any of that, I can keep the business going on any other platform or make my own if there's none that exists. But there will be something. People want to see it. So people are following you. It doesn't matter if I'm on YouTube, YouTube gets shut down. I have my Instagram. I can say, hey guys, I made a Vine, pretend that existed. And I'm going to start doing that instead because YouTube's down. I'd get probably 70-80% of you guys back over there. So it's less risk also because you can move platforms you're following. Now, the last thing, so many different sources of income. So I'm going to list you some beginner ones, some advanced ones that I have from personal branding. So we have the courses, we have Facebook groups, we have an email list, we have YouTube ad revenue, we have consulting, I'm going to do an entrepreneurship house so I can get into real estate because I have a following and charge more for real estate because I will be there helping you guys once in a while with that entrepreneur house idea. So I can then, instead of getting a normal 8 to 12% on real estate, I'm getting a 25% return on my money because of my following. Same kind of concept with real estate. And sponsorships, free things, paid videos, so many different things. You can do paid Facebook groups. There's affiliate marketing, way too many different sources of income. And that's just the beginning. So, and last thing, I said it already. You can jumpstart any business. So you can make the most, takes no money to start. It grows exponentially. It can be a little slow to start. So you're not risking anything. You can make the most amount of money. It's not going anywhere. Tell me why you haven't started your personal brand. These reasons? Okay, camera shy. Okay, you get over it. Pretty much that. I had to say that to myself too. Non-expert at anything. Okay, document, start building your following. You don't wait until you're already making money and an expert and then start it. Okay, that's not a good excuse. Don't know where to start. I just told you where to start in this video. Document. Don't know what to post. I just told you. Review videos on a tool, on what you're doing. Document, teach, vlog, anything. Procrastination? All right, well, you're going to fail anyway, so it doesn't matter. Just kidding. I'm not that mean. Why would people watch me? I told you already. People want to be entertained. Even if you're boring, I'm not exciting. I just tell it how it is. People like that. Maintain personal privacy? Okay. That's fine. That's a legit excuse. I'll take that one. Too time consuming. I spend half an hour on YouTube a day. I don't edit my videos. I make it in QuickTime. I will not edit this video. I won't touch anything. I made the thumbnail in 2 minutes and I upload it and my tags automatically upload. This video, to make this whole thing, it's probably a 15-minute video, less than 30 minutes. I make a video every day. Not too time consuming. You could do 3 a week. Okay, hour and a half. Not too time consuming. Wrong. Too saturated. Okay. Maybe some niches are more heavily saturated, but they have so many people watching. And it's not like, okay, you either watch me or you watch Tai Lopez. You have to choose one YouTuber. So many people watch tons of YouTubers, especially if you have your own unique angle. It's very easy. It's not too saturated. It's just the growth of personal branding as well. So I'm ugly. Good, me too. You don't need to be beautiful. Don't think it'll make money. I just told you why. And kind of your worst case scenario is $2,000 a month by the end of the first year. Don't want to be known. That's lame. Keep my face off the internet. You're lame. Just kidding. Make over 100,000 already. Need motivation. 100,000 ain't shit. It's a joke, but okay. If you're satisfied with 100,000, you're not going to be more successful anyway with that anyway. So you want to make 100,000, you want to make $1 million. I'll be making $1 million a month next year. So let me know if you want that, or you're happy with your 100,000 and barely getting by. Every other answer is a lie. I'm lazy. There we go. That's the real answer right there. Need a computer? You need a phone. That's all you need. All right, guys. So I hope that was a little bit informative and you guys see the potential now. I can't speak words. The potential now with personal branding, whether it's through YouTube, with Instagram, with Facebook. YouTube is the strongest one because you build that personal connection, that relationship. People can relate to you. And if you don't know where to start, go make a video talking about yourself, kind of just your little story, and what you plan on doing and what you want to upload to the channel. Whether it's, okay, I'm starting Amazon and affiliate marketing, guys. I'm going to share my journey, what I'm doing, what steps I take. So, okay, I'm talking to suppliers. This is what we're talking about. Here's the quote they gave me. Here's what I think. Here's what I plan on doing. Things like that. Just documenting. Okay, guys, I made this mistake, this little thing I didn't know about. So here's something. People want to relate. They'll follow you. They'll understand. So document, build that following. You don't have to be an expert. I gave you what to go upload. Make your first video and comment below when you upload your first video. If you guys haven't already, join this Facebook group if you're starting a YouTube channel, want to build a personal brand. I do live streams in here and give away consultation calls on this so I can help you get started, get going, and really grow. So it's called YouTube Entrepreneurs. It'll be the first link in the description. Again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video.